Welcome back. High Court has the admitted petition filed by National Investigating Agency challenging judgment of the Special NIA Court acquitting 6 arrested accused in 2009 Margao blast case. The High Court has granted NIA 1 week's time to add documents on the record in its present petition. NIA in its appeal filed before the court has contended that the trial court did not evaluate and analyze the evidence in this case.
The High Court on Wednesday admitted a petition filed by NIA challenging judgment of Special NIA Court acquitting all 6 arrested accused in 2009 Margao blast case. The High Court, before issuing notices to the respondents, granted a week's time to NIA to add all documents on record in its present petition. NIA in its appeal filed before the High Court has pleaded to set aside judgment of Special NIA Court in the blast case. Special NIA Court at Mapsa in its judgment dated 31st December 2013 while giving a clean sheet to accused Vinay Tadekar, Vinayak Patil, Dhananjay Astekar, Dilip Mangaonkar, Prashant Astekar and Prashant Juvekar has also dismissed charges of Sanatan Sanstha's role in the blast. The bomb blast had taken place in a scooter on 16 October 2009 during Narkasur competition in Margao, which claimed 2 lives. NIA in its petition filed before the High Court has pointed out that trial court failed to evaluate and analyze the evidence properly. Court will hear this matter on Wednesday. Our reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Iron ore purchased by bidders under the e-auctioning would not be exported during this season. Ore prices in China have dropped. China has a lot of ore in stock from African countries, and as such, the demand for low-grade stocks from India has vanished. Steel production has also dropped. In this scenario, export from India is likely only post-monsoons. Here is a report.
Even after the e-auctioning of iron ore, the mining dependents do not have any relief as yet. The low grade of iron ore from Goa is mostly exported to China. However, ore market prices have dropped significantly in China. In February, ore was sold at $115 per ton. It includes export duty, transportation cost and state royalty. During e-auction, bidders had purchased ore for around 2,800 rupees per ton. If they had to export it at the same time, they would have earned at least 3,000 rupees per ton. But at present, the ore prices have dropped from $115 to $95 in the international market. Now the bidders have to sell the ore for 2,300 rupees. That means a loss of 500 rupees per ton.
China जर slow down आयलो जाल्यार steel price कशें वाडटले, because the first thing that gets indication is steel. तेच जर slow down जाल्यार म्हाका दिसना हे वाडत बेगीन. आता फुडें आमकां पावस येवपाक आसा. ऑलरेडी रफ वेदर जाला. स्वेल आयचो स्वेल आमी चॅक केल्लो तेन्ना 2.5 मिटर स्वेल आसा. त्या 2.5 मिटर स्वेल भितर बार्ज येतली कशी आनी वयतली कशी.
International steel market expert and advisor for Chinese company Zamit Mujamdar says that China has a surplus stock of iron ore as they purchase ore from African countries. At present, they do not need ore anymore. At present, due to winter season in China, the steel production is going at slow pace. The situation may change after 3 months. However, by then, India will be in mid of heavy monsoon.
They have built up a huge stock of iron ore in the ports, and second is they have experienced severe winter conditions. My gut feeling is, as also the view of my contacts in China, my friends in China, is that this is not going to last beyond another 2 to 3 months. They can wait for 3 months or so, but I think as far as Goa is concerned, 3 months means the rainy season.
This has cleared one thing. Export of mining ore is rarest possibility before monsoon. Supreme Court will decide the resumption of mining in state. Till then, the overall picture indicates that mining dependents and the stakeholders will have to wait at least till next season. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
Lok Sabha elections would cost the state treasury to the tunes of 23 to 24 crores. Joint Chief Electoral Officer Narayan Nauti informed the media that 13 crore itself has been allotted for the administrative purpose. Meanwhile, Chief Electoral Officer Keshav Chandra informed media that 10,43,000 voters in the state will vote to elect 2 Lok Sabha MPs in the upcoming poll.
Joint Chief Electoral Officer Narayan Nauti informed that the Lok Sabha election would cost the state government to the tunes of 23 to 24 crore rupees. This cost is borne by the state.
ह्या इलेक्शना खातीरचो खर्च साधारण नॉर्थ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट ताका जवळजवळ 7 ते 7.5 कोटी मागल्यात आनी साउथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट जवळजवळ 6 कोटी मागल्या. म्हणजे साधारण ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाक खर्च जातलो. त्या भायर आमी 5 कोटी पुलीस यंत्रणा जी आसतली ताजेर खर्च करतले.
सर कितलो बटालियन फोर्स मागले कितलो मेळटा?
पुलिशेन सांगिल्ले प्रमाणे आमी 40 कंपनीज ऑफ पॅरामिलिटरी फोर्सीस मागल्यात. अजून पर्यंत कमिशनान ताजेर कांयच निर्णय घेतलो ना. पूण म्हाका दिसता 40 तरी मागल्यो थोडे तरी पुलीस फोर्स आमकां धाडटले. ताजे खातीर 2 ते 3 कोटी खर्च जातलो. कारण COचे ऑफिस आसा आनी बाकीचे रिलेटेड ऑफिसीस आसा. प्रोक्युरमेंट ऑफ स्टेशनरी किंवा प्रोक्युरमेंट ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड आर्टिकल्स मागीर ते इंडेलिबल इंक बॅटरी ह्यो सगळ्यो जर धरल्यो जाल्यार साधारण एडिशनल आनी 3 ते 3.5 कोटी खर्च जातलो. गोंयचे टार्गेट आमचे हाजे प्रमाणे एस्टिमेट जवळ 23 ते 24 कोटीचो आसा ते.
Chief Electoral Officer Keshav Chandra also informed that the Election Commission has received 3 complaints for violation of Code of Conduct. Of these 3, one is against the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Chandra informed that reply has been sought from all the 3 parties. He also informed that total voters in the state as on 31st January 2014 is 10,43,304.
The total number of eligible voters in Goa is 10,43,304 on 31st January. Now, amongst this, 5,20,237 were male and 5,23,067 were female.
Bureau Report Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.